I have to hold down the, oh no I don't. Here we go. Okay. And how long can the movie be? I'm on 39 seconds, 40. He's always cute. You're a good boy. This is for Justin. Oh, he's stretching. What a good boy. Aw, he's putting his heady down. No, he's not. No, he wants to come out. Okay, let me stop this. So, how do you stop?